Good morning, my name is Carl Puttock. I'm in sales at Fleetex, and today we'd like to show you around a 2012 62 Reg Renault Premium Tractor unit. Vehicle registration number KX62ECY. This is a 460 DXI Euro 5 tractor unit fitted with a 12-speed Volvo I-Shift semi-automatic gearbox. It's a 6x2 mid-lift configuration, air suspension to the drive axle, 3-piece rear wings, Fontaine sliding fifth wheel with run-up ramps, aluminium chassis catwalk, raised Susie gantry, rear loading lamp. It's a full air deflector kit there with adjustable roof spoiler. Cab's in nice, clean, tidy condition, no damage on there at all. Let's have a quick look around the tyres. All in pretty good shape. This truck is a one owner from new. It's been on a full Renault R&M contract, so anything it's ever needed for it's always had. All of our trucks at Fleetex come washed and valeted prior to sale. Any vehicles that are short of MOT we can test for you. We have access to paint shops, do a fantastic job at a reasonable price. We can arrange finance for you as well. If you'd like to part X your vehicle, just send across the details to me at info@fleetex.co.uk and we'd be more than happy to give you a price. All of our trucks are listed on our website at www.fleetex.co.uk. It's also nice if you can like us on Facebook. We also have a Twitter account as well. Just popped up inside the cab here. It's a hammock style top bunk, lower bunk there with under bunk storage, just a pull out tray. Electric windows driver and passenger side, electric heated mirrors. More storage above, electric sunroof. This is the privileged cab with air conditioning, RDS FM radio with CD player, 12 volt auxiliary socket, cruise control, steering column mounted radio controls, 415,000 kilometers from new. As I say, this vehicle has been on a full Renault R&M. So you can speak to your local Renault dealer just to find out what's been done to this vehicle in the past. All in all, a nice, clean, straight tidy tractor unit. All the prices for our vehicles, mileage, MOT status, lots and lots of colour pictures. They're all on our website www.fleetex.co.uk. If you'd like any further information, by all means give us a call on 01530 278 999 or my mobile number 07764 855 355. Also on WhatsApp if you want to contact us through that. Thank you very much for watching our video today. Bye bye.